Low impact exercises for beginners at home. Hello and welcome to yet another exciting video on my special weight loss channel. I'm sure you've been following it keenly and you have all the idea about the simple and easy exercises, diet plans, all that I have to offer. So it's my privilege to offer to you today the most easy and effective way to lose your full body fat by just sitting on a chair. Could you ever believe it? I'm sure you wouldn't. I will be showing you shortly. Plus, I need to explain to you who all can actually do this exercise. Be it anybody, whether you're recovering from an injury, if you're an elderly person, or if you've just given birth to a child. It doesn't matter. You can all do this exercise without any concern because this is very low impact, and it's also not going to affect your knee health or any other body part. It's not a rigorous exercise, but it's just effective. So I suggest you do it to my count alongside the way I'm doing it, and do not go overboard. If you're just a beginner and you've just started doing these exercises, then take it slowly. Do it at my pace, and I'm sure you will reach the intermediate or advanced level soon, and you will be able to do it all. Now let's start the exercises. Let's start with the first exercise, which is nothing but a warm-up, and it's very easy. It's marching sitting on a chair. So for all those couch potatoes who love binge watching and who have definitely gained weight sitting on a couch, it's the right time to get yourself a chair and start doing this workout with me. So this is a very low intensity workout. It's not at all difficult. You can actually do it sitting all day if you want. While you're sitting, why waste time? You can just keep moving your limbs just the way I am. Do this, and later on, if you think you can, then you can even lift it up to this height. A little bit higher. It's only going to affect your stomach, and it's going to help you lose all that bulge on your abdomen, and it's going to be just perfect when you are going to fit into your favorite clothes. So bring out all those old jeans from the cupboard, because you are definitely fitting into them after this workout, over a period of time, of course. Moving on to the next exercise, which is also equally simple. All you have to do is point your toes and also use your hands. So you are also exercising your hands and legs both at the same time, and I'm pointing my toes out to gain as much a stretch as I can in my legs. So this is very good for inner thighs. And if you note my posture, I'm sitting absolutely straight at the edge of my chair. So don't forget to keep these things in mind. Keep your breathing normal, and you will definitely benefit immensely from these exercises. So we're just about to finish 10 counts, and I suggest, if you don't think this is effective enough for you as of now, you can go for 10 more counts or maybe 20 more counts and do as many sets as you feel like. So moving on to the next exercise. But before that, do let me know in the comment section which one did you enjoy more, the first or the second. The third exercise is as effective as doing jumping jacks, because this is nothing less than a jumping jack sitting on a chair. How easy! So all you have to do is sit back in the chair, and you have to stretch your legs apart and take your hands up. And I'm going to do about 2 different hand movements just to keep my mind engaged so that I don't get bored. And please do join in. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I'm sure you could feel the burn in your arms, your stomach, your legs, everywhere. Just how effective a regular jumping jack is. So there's no excuse now, and do let me know in the comment section if you did enjoy this exercise. moving on to the fourth exercise. So it's time for the fourth exercise, and we're going to do this fourth exercise to combat our belly fat, tummy fat, the bulging bit, which is a nuisance for many of us because we can't fit into our favorite clothes. So what am I going to do? Teach you the very most effective simple exercise. You have to lean back with your back straight, sit on the chair and try and hold the chair so you get a grip, and you have to try and lift both your legs up. If you can lift it up to your chest level, it's very good. If not, then as much as you can lift it according to your convenience. Keep your breathing normal. And just make sure you suck your stomach in and keep it tight. There you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. Let's do 3 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Don't give up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me one more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's an excellent way to tighten your tummy and to get rid of that extra bulge around your stomach area. So I usually do this exercise sitting anywhere in a chair, and I suggest you do it too. So do let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed this exercise just as much as I did. So fifth exercise is all about getting rid of the love handles and the bulge on the side of your stomach. Also, it's very effective. All you have to do is touch your elbow to the knee, diagonal to the elbow, like this. You can breathe out. When you look on the sides, make sure to twist your body. And I have started counting, and I just hope that you're doing the exercise with me too. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. With that, we have completed one entire set of this exercise. Let me know in the comment section if you enjoyed it, and if you don't think this is intensity enough for you to be able to burn that fat, then go ahead, play this video again, and come on, do these exercises with me again. And don't forget to do these exercises every single day. Plus, if you have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and also the bell notification.